All right, so now what we're going to do is create the walls that go down. And so to do that, I'll just go to sort of a wireframe. So if I go to wireframe, I can now see the stair. And so I want the walls to sort of come out from the stair and then sort of curve down. So I'm going to go to architecture and wall architectural, and I'm just going to go to the pull down here, the type selector, and pick a generic, let's just do a generic 8-inch for right now. And right now the location line is a wall center line. So if I were to draw it, it would draw right along the middle and split the 4 inches. So I'm just going to come down and let's do finished face interior. And so I want the base. Well, let's go ahead and draw it wrong and then we'll fix it. So I'm just going to left click here and draw the wall. Now it's going on the wrong side. Like I want it to be on the outside. So I'm going to hit the space bar and I'll draw it to the end of the stair. And you'll see it appear over there. It's in totally wrong, but that's okay. I'm going to hit escape once because it's chaining. So it wants to make another straight wall. But I'm going to hit escape once and it's going to keep me in the wall command. And I'll come over here and draw this one in over here. And then I'll hit escape twice and it will cancel that command. Right. And so if I come over here, if I pick these two, because we have open parameters, I can flip the base constraint to base, right, to down to the bottom, and I can flip the top constraint instead of unconnected to A1. So now I've kind of got these guys set at the level that I want. And so I'm going to come over here, and now I can't see the walls, which is a little weird, right? So what I'm going to do is go to the view range, and it's stopping my view at plane A1. So I can't see anything below plane A1. So because this wall is below plane A1, if I go to level below and click OK, now I can see the walls, right? And so now I want to come in and let's go to shaded real quick. There's my edge right there. So I want to come in and kind of draw an arc here and draw an arc here with the wall. So I'm going to go to the wall, and this time I'm going to set it correctly. So I'll set it at base, and I'll set the top at plan A1. And I want to draw an arc here. So I'm going to come up here and do the arc. And this is still going from finished face interior. So I'll pick the endpoint of that and kind of maybe draw to there, right? Oops, and let's hit the space bar, right? And it will kind of snap into place. You can kind of get it to snap into place there, right? You get it where you want it. And that goes all the way down to there. Oops, set that incorrectly. So this needs to go to base and this needs to go to plan A1, right? And then I just want to offset this distance. So if I do a distance here, from here to there, it's 12'2", so it's 11'6" plus the 8 inches for the wall. So let's go ahead and go to the modify and offset. And we'll set this to 11'6" first. And we'll make a copy of it, right? Because we want to make a copy. So if I do 11'6", it does that. And then I can come in and actually say, oh, I needed that extra 8 inches. And let's do 8 inches, right? And get rid of the copy. And it will do that, right? And so now I've got the walls, right, going along. And now let's come back and we will sort of press down the topography underneath it so it's not coming above it.